How exactly can we go about controlling our children's mobile phones and basically tell them which specific software they are allowed to install, which websites they are permitted to visit, and a whole lot of other information? Well, in order to do this, you will need to install the Google Family Link app. Once you have finished installing it, you enter the app. Once you have entered the application, we want to add our child here, because we do not have an account at all up until now. If you already had an account, go to the mobile phone of your child. And then after that, once you have entered the settings menu, you will enter the Google section. Go to Parental Controls and you add the device through this method. And since we do not have any account at this moment, what is it that we should do? You come and create an account from your own device. Here, are going to create a Gmail account, and the age must be 13. You will write your child's name here and then enter their birth date. Well, your account has been successfully created, and of course your child's account is created on your Gmail. Well, now I already have a Gmail from before. Now, this child account of mine has now become a subset of my Gmail. Well, here is a lot of information. You enable the check marks and accept the terms. And it asks a few questions that you should answer. It is very important here to enable this check mark so that you can have access to these like Search, YouTube, and Google Play, and all other Google software. Once you enter this section, answer the questions. Well, so we have now created an email that is under 14 years old for our child. Now you are required to add a device. Please enter your child's device. Settings. Once in settings, find Google. After you have located Google, you should select the Add Account option here. Once you have selected Add Account, you will add the email address you just created for your child's device. However, there is a condition. The Gmail account on that device must not be registered as over 18 years of age. If a Gmail account is already registered, you will receive an error and the email will not be accepted. You must sign out of any previously logged in Gmail accounts to add the one you created for parental control. Once you have successfully added that Gmail account, you can very easily access it through the Settings menu. Go to the Google section, then Parental Controls. And in this section, you, in fact, have complete and total access to this email account through your child's device. And you are able to apply these specific settings to it. You can adjust these settings in such a way that you decide which games your child is allowed to install, what they are allowed to install from Google Play, what they can watch on YouTube, and even within Google Chrome, you can block specific websites. You can block a series of websites, so if you enter the site address, that website will be blocked and your child will no longer be able to visit it. You can even monitor your child's location here. Where exactly is Azar located at this moment? The complete location details will be sent to you, and you are able to add several children. It really does not matter for you, and you are able to control the device for every single child.